Hello friends, this is Madhu. I am from Hyderabad, Institute of Digital Marketing. We are located in Hyderabad in Begumpet, above Bolochina restaurant. We are on third floor. So it's a good news that UK government has announced on September 9, 2019 that 2 years work permit is given those who complete their master's education, masters or bachelors, those who complete in London, they will be given 2 years of work permit. So we are here in Hyderabad Institute of Digital Marketing. What we do here is we train those who completed a bachelor's in India. They are a fresh graduates, or even if they have 2 or 3 years of gap. So here is an opportunity that they could earn 1.5 to 2 lakhs per month with our idea. So what we do here is you will be taking a training of 3 months program in our institute that is into digital marketing. So there is a very great demand throughout the world into digital marketing. So as we said that there are millions jobs are awaiting for you. Take a step ahead to be among them. So what we do here is we provide you training for 3 months. If you wanted to work in India, yes, we already have contracts with 5,000 clients in India, so we will be able to place you. This is a 100% placement program in India. And once you complete your digital marketing training here, so you have a choice of going to London. You can complete your master's in digital marketing in London, and that will be for 1 year course and 1 year internship. So you will be given visa for 2.5 years. After that, you will be given 2 years work permit. So we make sure that you are going to earn very good money in pounds and in dollars. So world is waiting for you. Welcome. Please visit our institute, Hyderabad Institute of Digital Marketing. We are located in Begumpet. Our contact number is 95412 49999. Thank you.